Hi, welcome to this beautiful brand new on the market 3-bedroom plus Maids townhouse for sale in Furjan West. You can already see it's a very modern layout property. On the right hand side, as you enter the front door, you have a fully set up maid room with an ensuite bathroom. Now heading out down the hallway, on the right hand side you have your downstairs guest bathroom. Very beautiful and clean. Right next to that you have a spacious semi-closed kitchen with a large storage pantry at the back. You also have a very beautiful looking serving window overlooking the living and dining area. Heading into the living and dining space, you have floor to ceiling windows, amples of natural light coming throughout the house. It's just a beautiful setup. From here you have access to the garden where you have your own private fully landscaped garden. This property is on a prime location, close to amenities and the Arbor school. Now having a look upstairs, on the right hand side will be the master's bedroom, and down on the left, bedroom 2 and 3. This is a very large and spacious master bedroom. You'll also have a beautiful usable balcony. Just very nice and bright. And then the master bedroom ensuite bathroom. Now all the bedrooms in this property are all ensuite. Now on the left hand side you have the second upstairs bedroom, again very spacious with its own bathroom. Then again a usable balcony which is closed off for a closed balcony laundry area. Heading towards the third upstairs bedroom, you will find a beautiful spacious bedroom with built-in wardrobe, this is definitely a hot property on the market now at a very good price. If you do want any information or want to schedule a viewing, feel free to contact me on the details provided. Very beautiful and a must-see property for a family.